everyone, I'm Jax LaPlante and this is Oily Time with Jax. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. Here we're going to go over oil education and safety. There is a safe way to use oils, believe it or not. And when you're new to oils, you gotta know where to start and what you're looking for. So I'll review just some tips and tricks on how to pick the oil company that's going to be right for you. I personally use Young Living essential oils based on purity. Once weekly, I'm going to be posting how-to videos, tutorials, some kind of DIY hacks that we've discovered, and money-saving tips, my favorite. So please join me every Wednesday. I'll be posting a new video. And if you like it, like the like button down there, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, because then you'll be able to know when the latest video comes out. And hey, I love to answer questions, so please don't hesitate to either leave me a message down below or email me, and I'll be posting my Facebook educational group link and my email down below. All right, so thank you for stopping by, and we will see you on Wednesday.